Hey guys, it's Mary and welcome back to Study Journey. I'm back with another AMC Problem of the Week video, and this is another probability problem, so without further ado, let's get on with the video. This is AMC 10B, problem 12 of the year 2016. Two different numbers are selected at random from the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and multiplied together. What is the probability that the product is even? Your answer choices are 0.2, 0.4, 0.5, 0.7, and 0.8. So the key words here is that it's two different numbers. And it's selected at random from this set. And then it is multiplied together. And it is asking you the probability that the product of these two numbers is even. So how do we know that two numbers multiplied together is even? Well, let's just look at this. So we know even numbers are like 0, 2, 4. And then odd numbers are like 1, 3, and 5. What is even times even? Well, let's say 2 times 4. That is also an even number. What about an even number times an odd number? So let's say 2 times 1. That's also even. And what about odd times odd? 1 times 3, that is still an odd number. The only way two numbers multiplied together is even is if at least one of the numbers is even. The set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can see that there are 2 even numbers and 3 odd numbers. So instead of trying to find these two, we can just look at what are the chances that we get 2 odds. And this we can use probability. So the chances that you get 2 odds is, first, how many odds are there? Well, there are 3. And the probability that you get both odds is if you choose 2 out of these 3. So this is a chance that you would get 2 odds. Now that we are looking at probability, you can divide it over by the whole number, which is getting 2 numbers out of this set of 5 numbers. So that would be a total of 5 numbers and you choose 2. So this is equal to 3 choose 2 over 5 choose 2. Now, how do you get 3 choose 2? So we know for combinations, the formula is if you choose r from n, then the formula would be n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. We've explained this in previous problems. So just plugging this formula into here, we get 3 factorial, which is 3 times 2 times 1, over 2 factorial, which is 2 times 1, and then it's n minus r factorial, which is 3 minus 2 factorial, that is 1 factorial, which is just 1. And we put this all over 5 choose 2, which would be 5 factorial, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, over 2 factorial, which is 2 times 1, and then it is 5 minus 2 factorial, which is 3 factorial. So it's 3 times 2 times 1. Now let's cancel some stuff out. So this cancels out with that, and then the numerator will just be 3. The denominator, these two cancel out. 2 and 4 cancel out to be 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. So the denominator would be 10. So this right here, the probability that you would get an odd number when multiplying two numbers is 310, which is 0.3. Now the probability that the product is even would be the whole minus probability that it would be odd, which is 0.3. And then that will get you 0.7, and that is your answer. So looking at the answer choices, we can see that the answer would be D, 0.7.